Hey everyone, Cynthia Miller here. I am excited to be here today. I have some research I want to share. I've done a little bit of research on why I'm so tired and why I feel like I just don't have the energy that I used to have. So I'm a doTERRA wellness advocate, and there's some symptoms that have come up that I just wanted to share with you that I think are really important to sort of pay attention to. If you do think that you might have adrenal fatigue, it might be a good idea to go to the doctor. But what I wanted to know is what essential oils could help me to sort of be more energized. I was doing the laundry the other day. I usually throw it on the bed to sort it out, and I just thought, oh, I'm just gonna nap. And so here I was laying with the laundry, having a little nap, and I thought this is kind of funny. I think it would be a really good segue to a good little post here. So one of the best things that you can do to sort of elevate your energy is to take a little bit of peppermint and a little bit of rosemary, dab them into your hand, rub them together, and breathe it in. What's going to happen is it's going to energize you. It's going to open up your airways. It's going to help you take in more oxygen and actually, sort of actually give you a little bit more energy. Now that's the easiest way to do it, but I wanted more. I wanted to really sort of figure out what I could maybe put on my body. So adrenal fatigue is an interesting concept. We have an adrenal gland that sits on top of the kidney. It's like a little hat on top of the kidney, and it actually produces a lot of hormones and chemical components, and it's the adrenaline that is actually created there. And if you're living a busy life, if you're on the go all the time, then this little adrenal gland doesn't get any rest, and so that's what happens. It gets just completely exhausted. You really need to rest. You really need to pay attention to this because stress will cause it, doing too many things at once, not enough sleep, and some symptoms are, foggy brain, maybe you're craving salty food, maybe you get sick easily. I'm just reading off my notes here, and maybe your blood pressure isn't quite, what it should be. There's feelings that you might have, that even a low libido. There's all kinds of signs, dark circles under your eyes. That's a big one. Okay, so what I did, I found this recipe, I've tweaked it a little bit, and I found that I really love it. I roll it on my back. So my lower back, I put this combination on both morning and night. And there was a couple of days there where I was actually putting the heating pad on it. And taking this along with the peppermint and rosemary, I just found that I just immediately started feeling better. So this is a 5 ml roller. I've put 8 drops of lemon essential oil, and this is just doTERRA oils that I'm using. I used 3 drops each of basil, rosemary, and what I use, the secret ingredient, is the Zendocrine blend. So this blend is a detoxification blend, and I found that I think the original recipe has frankincense, but I just wanted to take it up a notch with this Zendocrine. So Zendocrine has tangerine oil, rosemary leaf. It's got geranium, juniper, cilantro, and it actually helps to get rid of all we create energy in our bodies with the stress, with feeling tired. We tell ourselves, oh, I'm so tired. That sits in energy in our body, and so this really helps to sort of disperse it, let it go. I just found this is wonderful. I have a lot going on in the summertime. I'm looking after gardens. I'm looking after the B&B. I'm running around. The long nights, the not wanting to go to bed because it's still light out at 11:30. And so, now we're into September and it's sort of drizzly and rainy and you've got the gray skies. I just find that my energy just needs a boost, and I just love this. It's the Adrenal Fatigue blend that I roll on my lower back, breathing in the peppermint, breathing in the rosemary, and it lasts for a while too. So just wanted to share that. I hope that helps. If you have any questions about adrenal fatigue, like I said, you may want to go to your doctor or text me if there's anything that you want to talk about. Your adrenal glands are really important that you take care of yourself, okay? Have a great Monday, and I hope this rain isn't getting you down too much. Take care.